What do you do for wages when you've been hurt at work in Utah? First, go see your doctor. Ask if you should be off work or on light duty and get a note from him. Second, take that note to your employer and send a copy to your workers' comp adjuster. Between the two of them, you should be getting 67% of your normal wage. In Utah, workers' comp, the money they owe you, also called indemnity, is broken into 4 categories. First is called temporary total disability, also called TTD. If you're unable to work at all due to your injury, you can receive up to 67% of your average weekly wage, subject to a maximum limit. This benefit can last up to 312 weeks. The second category is called temporary partial disability, also known as TPD. If you can work but earn less due to your injury, you may receive a portion of the difference between your pre-injury and post-injury wages. The third category is called permanent partial disability, or PPD. For permanent impairments, you may receive a lump sum or weekly benefits based on the severity of your impairment. The third type is permanent total disability, also called PTD. If you're permanently and totally disabled, you can receive 67% of your average weekly wage for the life, subject to maximum benefits. Keep in mind, the number of dependents you have may affect the amount of indemnity you're owed. If you were working 2 jobs when you got hurt, both incomes should be considered in your compensation calculations. And it makes no sense, but workers' comp does not have to pay you for the first 3 days of work you miss after the accident, unless you miss more than at least 2 weeks. If you want to know how these benefits apply to your workers' comp situation, please call Just Work Comp Law, Davis & Sanchez. We're here to help.